Turkey has had a history of arms embargo, even after it joined NATO in 1952. Ankara responded by establishing the Turkish Armed Forces Foundation that included the work of 14 arms manufacturers. Since then, the Turkish defense industries have developed to manufacture electronics, such as advanced automated systems, guidance systems, electro-optics, communication, and information technologies, in addition, of course, to missile launchers and sea defense systems. In 1985, the government established the Presidency of Defense Industries to oversee the country's defense needs. It is now under the direction of the President's office. Turkey's indigenous arms industry has become extremely important since the 1970s. Turkey manufactures 70% of its defense needs, and this has jumped from 20 to 70% in less than 20 years. So Turkey is moving in the direction of almost complete self-sufficiency in defense needs. Turkey has also become an important arms exporter. It has become the 14th largest arms exporter. And of the top 100 international arms companies, there are 7 Turkish companies. And this number, 7 companies, exceeds the number of Russian companies among the top 100 companies known internationally. Now, the industry currently accounts for 1% of the global military exports, which include, among other things, wheeled armored vehicles, attack helicopters, howitzers, UAVs, unmanned aerial vehicles, and frigates. Turkey has, in the past few years, vastly expanded its navy, and it has become the predominant navy in the Eastern Mediterranean. The defense industry of Turkey has grown from $1 billion in 2000 to $14 billion this year. And this includes more than $3 billion of arms exports. There have been a number of hurdles as for the ability of Turkey to export. I must add that most of its exports go to Muslim countries such as Malaysia, Indonesia, Pakistan, Kazakhstan, and Oman, and also to some other countries such as Guyana, Guatemala, Trinidad, and Tobago. Saudi Arabia, who is one of the largest arms importers, have, for political reasons, declined to import military hardware from Turkey. And the same thing goes for the UAE. Otherwise, it would have benefited them to buy Turkish equipment because they have attained international standards and they are a whole lot cheaper than Western-made military hardware. Now, the development and the fruition of Turkish defense industries depends on the ability of Turkey to manufacture its domestic tank, Altay, and also 5th generation TFX fighter jet, and also attack helicopter and Kinshi UAV, unmanned aerial vehicles. The problem that has been facing the completion of these ambitious projects have been the ability of Turkey to obtain technological cooperation of mainly Western countries as far as the development of the engine. Engine development and the sanctions imposed on Turkey for political reasons have hindered the construction, the development of these weapon systems. But upon the ability of Turkey to resolve these engine-related problems, Turkey would become a leading arms exporter, and it will be able to almost entirely meet its domestic defense needs. Why is the Turkish defense arms industry important? It enables Turkey to become completely autonomous in the international system. As you know, defense systems have been used as a political weapon by major Western countries. And the ability to proceed with its defense industry will also allow Ankara a greater D is political maneuverability in the international system, which is important in the rise of nations. Now, these obstacles, mainly engine development, may delay the progress of Turkey's defense industries, but they cannot stop it. These sanctions will eventually, in my opinion, lead Turkey to invest in the development of indigenous engine capability. Yes, some projects may be delayed, but eventually they will attain fruition. All they need is perseverance and time, even if this includes some delays. The emergence of problems, especially in the defense sector, are a normal occurrence in the rise of powers and nations. Now, such problems may hinder the development of a power, but these hurdles cannot stop the eventual capability of a nation to achieve its national objectives. So I think Turkey is slated to become a major power, not only in the Middle East, but beyond the Middle East within the next 2 decades. And this probably explains why there is a concerted attempt to hold it in place.